Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write step by step how to find the equivalent polynomial for a equals to -1 and b equals to 2. To solve this exercise, I'm going to use the formula for binomial square and the rules of exponents for power of a product with two factors and power of a power. Find the polynomial equivalent to the expression for a equals to -1 and b equals to 2. As a first step, I'm going to substitute a with -1 and b with 2. When I do that, this equals to 3 -1 to the power of 6, 2 squared y to the 4th power, plus 3 -1 to the power of 8, 2x to the 6th power, in parentheses, squared, plus 2 -1 squared multiplied by 2y to the 4th power, plus 2 -1 to the 4th power multiplied by 2 squared x to the 6th power, in parentheses, squared. When I simplify further, I get 3 times 1 times 4 is 12 y to the 4th power, plus 3 times 1 times 2 is 6 x to the 6th power, in parentheses, squared, plus 2 times 1 times 2 is 4 y to the 4th power, plus 2 times 1 times 4 is 8x to the 6th power, in parentheses, squared. As a next step, I'm going to apply the formula for binomial square for the first binomial. When I do that, this equals to 12y to the 4th power, in parentheses, squared, plus 2 times 12y to the 4th power multiplied by 6x to the 6th power, plus 6x to the 6th power, in parentheses, squared. Next, I'm going to apply the formula for binomial square for the second binomial. When I do that, this equals to 4y to the 4th, in parentheses, squared, plus 2 times 4y to the 4th multiplied by 8x to the 6th power, plus 8x to the 6th power, in parentheses, squared. As a next step, I'm going to apply the rules of exponents to simplify further. When I do that, I get 12 squared y to the 4th power, in parentheses, squared, plus 2 times 12 times 6 is 144 x to the 6th power y to the 4th power, plus 6 squared x to the 6th power, in parentheses, squared, plus 4 squared y to the 4th power, in parentheses, squared, plus, for the next term I need to multiply the numerical parts of the term, and I have 2 times 4 times 8 is 64 x to the 6th power y to the 4th power, plus 8 squared x to the 6th power, in parentheses, squared. When I simplify further, I get 12 squared is 144 y to the 8th power, plus I simply need to rewrite the next term, 144 x to the 6th power y to the 4th power, plus 36 x to the 12th power, plus next term 4 squared 16 y to the 8th power. I'm going to write it below. We have 16 y to the 8th power plus 64 x to the 6th power y to the 4th power. I'm simply going to rewrite that term. 64 x to the 6 y to the 4th plus, then we have 8 squared x to the 6th power squared, or 64 x to the 12th power. As a next step, I need to add all like terms. Like or similar terms are the terms that have the same literal parts. This way, I can add 144y to the 8th power with 16y to the 8th. Also, I can add 144x to the 6y to the 4th with 64x to the 6y to the 4th. And 36x to the 12th with 64x to the 12th. So when I add these pairs of like terms, I get 160y to the 8th power plus 208x to the 6y to the 4th plus 100x to the 12th power. And if I write this expression in a standard form where the variables are listed in alphabetical order, then this way, this equals to 100x to the 12th plus 208x to the 6th, y to the 4th, plus 160 y to the 8th power. This is the final answer for this exercise. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on the videos displayed on the screen or subscribe to my channel to see more detailed math solutions. Thank you for watching and learning.